didn't show last time is the brachioradialis. Just shove that.
Are you going to show that? You're going to show that later for us.
Yeah. So here, watch it. It'll appear right over here. Oh, you see that, by the way? Those, yeah, it's a vein. See those? Those are fourth exam legal.
Fourth exam legal?
This is the only place I have them because the superficial veins are all gone on the dissections.
So you are the exam?
They're fourth exam legal.
Professor, are you lifting weights?
Yeah, I have a Okay, so watch over here. Watch over here. You see that?
Oh, shoot.
Oh, man. That is the brachioradialis. You see that? Right there.
Oh, that's it?
Just to add
get
to
one
your
of
collection
those.
things to know on this. Remember, there's a person who's sensitive to noise, so keep the sound down. She's taking an exam back over. She's making up a Bio 7 exam. We want to keep the noise down.
That's kind of Williams classic.
That's the one?
Right there, see that? That is the brachioradialis right over there.
Wow.
See that? Okay, please pull that sleeve. Yeah, thank you very much.
Do you take any supplements?
Supplements? Steroids?
No steroids, just ordinary
Muscle milk.
Just
Organic stuff.
Okay, so now, the
With that orange
brachioradialis,
juice?
if I ask the brachioradialis on the exam, which is likely
No,
to...
never gonna forget the brachioradialis.
So,
See Dana start laughing in the test.
I will say, look at this, it only goes that far. It does not cross the radiocarpal joint. You know, where these do cross the radiocarpal joints. Okay. Then, when I'm asking these, even if I asked this as a question item previously, I will pick it up again just for orientation. Say, just look at this, which I asked previously, for orientation, and only goes that far. Now, what is this muscle directly adjacent to that, right over here?
That's the
Extensor
pollicis longus. Yeah.
No, extensor carpi radialis longus.
Correct. Extensor carpi radialis longus. Its tendon continues to
I didn't know where
the
it's
index finger's metacarpal, passing through the anatomical snuff box. It's the
Longus,
floor of the
you said,
anatomical snuff
Now, during the test, are you going to pull up that part and then pull up the other part?
Yeah,
Okay.
I will. I'll do
This is
that.
the
Extensor carpi.
I will show the whole
Extensor
thing.
carpi radialis.
I will go from proximal to distal on it. which-
Yeah.
Where's the previous one?
Brevis is
Yeah.
more of a medial.
What is
lateral.
that?
Or the brevis one.
Brevis.
Yeah, that's the extensor carpi radialis brevis. You see, its tendon goes to the third.
Oh,
So the longest goes to the second and brevis goes to the third?
Correct. And they both pass through the floor of the anatomical snuff box right over there. They're sitting in the floor of the anatomical snuff box.
you say extensor carpi radialis longus goes to second metacarpal?
Correct. Okay. Now,
And the other one to third.
correct,
So longest goes to the second, right?
correct. And I will pick up the tendons all along their length to show that. Okay, now what is this one over here, which goes all the way distally over here?
Extensor pollicis longus.
Correct, extensor pollicis longus. And then what is this one? Its tendon
Pollicis
continues over,
brevis.
extensor pollicis brevis. And what's the space they're bordering over here?
Anatomical snuff.
Correct, the anatomical snuff box.
Is that a legal question?
Illegal.
It's legal, but not probable, though.
Not probable.
It's barely legal.
This is the extensor pollicis longus, and this is the extensor
Longest
pollicis
and the brevis one.
brevis.
spot?
Yeah.
Oh, brevis, this
That
one.
one, yeah. Now, what's this one?
Abductor
The
pollicis
abductor.
longus.
Yeah, the abductor pollicis longus, just lateral to the snuff box. Remember, that lateral means in terms of the anatomical position, so
Lateral
this is laterals that way, so this is the
Snuff.
most lateral in the area.
to snuff box, right?
Yeah, the two extensors pollicis border the snuff box, and this is just lateral to the snuff box.
That's the abductor pollicis
This
longus.
abductor.
Correct.
And brevis is that really thin one, right?
Yeah,
Extensor
Abducts
pollicis
the
brevis.
thumb, right?
yeah, so going from medial to lateral in terms of the anatomical position, it's extensor pollicis longus, then extensor pollicis brevis, bordering the snuff box, and then just outside the snuff box, lateral to it, the abductor pollicis longus.
So this is like an anatomic position, right?
Yes.
Brevis, longus.
All right.
Okay, so now, and also note that the extensor pollicis longus goes all the way distally of the thumb. It's going to the distal phalanx. The brevis Those are more proximal. That's weird. All right, so what is this one with the branch tendon?
Extent digitorum.
Correct. And then if that's pulled out of the way, it's possible to see a muscle. Yeah,
Indicus.
oh, wait a minute, this is part of the extensor digitorum internal tube right over there. The
Indicus.
extensor indicus, correct.
And that goes to the middle of between
Index finger.
the
It's going to the
fingers.
index finger.
Index finger.
It's a separate extensor for the index finger,
Like water running.
okay?